Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw the Santa Claus as the Christmas season is coming up. So it's a nice time to draw Santa. To draw Santa Claus, first we draw the hair and we start the drawing from the top. So this is the beginning. Now we can put eyes here. It has a nice eyebrow. Nose are little round in shape. This is the mustache. Under the mustache, we can see the smiley face with a big smile. So you can see the big smile here. Let's draw the line a little bit. And the big beard of the Santa is kept here. Okay, so this is the face. Now we can draw a curved line like this, and the one like a mirror here. All right, so let's draw the bottom of the jacket. It's the rear jacket with a white liner at the end. Now we can draw the legs here. This is the shoe. And the shoe on the left side. Let's draw two hands. One is left hand and the right foot. Right side we have hands too. All right, so this is the hands of Santa. Santa has the nice hands. We can see here both of the hands. Now it has a belt at the end. So the belt of Santa Claus is done. Let's put three vertical lines. So these three lines continue to the top to the bottom. So this is the basic outlines of Santa Claus. Now if we put color, then we can understand the real picture. Let's put red color for this cap. So for the shade we put the dark shade to the corner and the light strokes in the middle. All right, so this dress is also nice. Let's put dark color to the border and light color to the middle. All right, so the color of the Santa Claus is going on. Also, let's put this one to the darker and coming to the lighter at the bottom. When you draw, you can take your time, don't do hurry. Let's put some shades here too. Okay, we can put little red color here too. Now we can color the pants too. All right, now we can put the black color for the boot here. So you can see the shoe here. Other parts are all right. We can put the details for the the, we can do it. The shading, it's like if we put it more time, then it will be good. If we put less time, it will be less good. So that's why the mustache looks good. All right, so this is the Santa Claus. I hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching, and next time we are going to bring new videos, interesting videos. Up to then, stay tuned and subscribe and do the practice. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.